just wanna see the light.
Hey YouTube, this is Bama Girl Amy coming at you. I was just going to do a quick video. I've actually got some video clippings of some hail that we had up here close to where we live. I was taking Random Nations to work, and all of a sudden it just gets really dark and hail just starts falling. We actually had to pull into a chevron to get under the awning so the car don't get destroyed. Well, while we were there, these people are so scared of the weather that they're actually locking people out of the store while there is a tornado less than a mile from us. You guys watch this. This is crazy. This is the worst hailstorm Heflin, Alabama's ever had. These people are locking people out of the store in a tornado, in a hailstorm.
Bitch, you know I'll bust that door down for that. I said, bitch, you know I'll